Hello everyone. So this is a quick tutorial on how a thin yarn that we have a thin yarn into a thicker one. Okay, so what we do is you just make an S like this with the yarn. Okay, and this is starting point, right? Pinch it and hold this side, okay, and consider this as a single yarn. Now this is 3 times the size of the original yarn that we have. You can do your work. Initially, of course, it's chain stitch. We give the chain stitch. Once you come to the end of this, what we do is, this is called the working yarn and this is the loop. So put your hand through this loop and pull through the working yarn. Okay, now what happens is we've extended it. Continue working. Now this is the point at which the join has taken place, and if you notice, it is absolutely invisible to the naked eye, and you can work through, make the chains. Suppose now this is a place I want to now start making the next row. Double crochet, single crochet. Keep getting mixed up with the name of these stitches. Single crochet. Okay, now we've come to the end, right? So again we do the same thing. Pull through, let go, continue. Alright, if you find this tip useful, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Everything that you can physically do from your end will be absolutely helpful and appreciated. Thank you very much. Keep following for more such tips.